Are you looking to use building information modeling on your first construction project? If so, you came to the right place. Over the next few minutes, I will give a high-level overview of the BIM process. By the end of this video, you will have enough information to have a comfortable conversation with a BIM consultant about the needs of your project. You will understand what to expect, but more importantly, a good understanding of what the owner asks of you. Before we discuss what BIM is, let's talk about what BIM isn't. BIM is not software. It is not an unskilled person on a computer making a pretty picture. In construction, each trade has a person who understands construction, codes, means, methods, and the programs they use to create a digital representation of the built environment. Essentially, the BIM team creates a set of virtual construction models that have been coordinated with one another to ensure constructability. Now that you understand what BIM is and isn't, let's touch on a few benefits of building information modeling. As the construction team collaborates each week, they will also be more inclined to communicate in the field. Enhanced teamwork will make your project run smoother. Another benefit of BIM is the ability to make quick decisions and the confidence that those decisions are not negatively impacting another trade. Finally, BIM can reduce project delays by finding the issue before construction. Finding the issue early will not only reduce the delays but could also save rework. The BIM process should be relatively linear. Each week, the BIM project team will meet via Teams, Zoom, or any number of virtual meeting platforms. The lead BIM coordinator will run clashes on the latest models before the meeting, discuss the outstanding issues from previous meetings, review new issues found since the previous meeting, and ensure that all project stakeholders understand the upcoming milestones. Once the area of focus is as close to clash-free as possible, the BIM team will sign off on the area and continue to the next area. These focus areas can be an entire level or a specific building wing. After sign-off, each trade will create shop drawings from the coordinated model. The shop drawings typically contain dimensions, sizes, elevations, etc., allowing the field team to build as coordinated. Sometimes, the models are turned over to the fabrication team to allow for prefabrication. The BIM team knows that the prefabricated components will fit without issue. One of the most important things to understand about BIM is that not all BIM is the same. BIM requirements can be very specific, or they can be obtuse. For example, an owner may define the exact obligations of the BIM process. These requisites could include an LOD or level of development. According to Autodesk, levels of development refer to a standardized framework for defining the amount of detail and accuracy that should be included in a building information model at different stages of a project. It is important to understand the LOD required so that you are getting what you paid for. In some cases, the cost of BIM can double or even triple, depending on the owner's requirements. Take a step towards the future of construction with BIM. Through it, you're not just erecting buildings, you're crafting a legacy. So, embrace BIM and get set to build smarter and better.